bluestacks is an American technology company that produces the BlueStacks app player and other cloud-based cross-platform products. The BlueStacks app player is designed to enable Android applications to run on PCs running Microsoft Windows. The company was founded in 2009 by Jay Vaishnav, Sumant Saraf, and Rosen Sharma, former CTO at McAfee and a board member of Cloud.com. It comes with the Google Play Store pre-installed, which gives you access to over 2 million Android apps and games. Installing APKs is pretty easy too. It comes with a couple of features that none of its competitors offers. The first one is the ability to live stream to Twitch, so you can show off your game playing skills to your followers. The second one is that you can live stream to Facebook Live using BlueStacks TV. Other than this, it supports multitasking, much like an actual Android phone. The free version is riddled with ads and constantly nags you to install sponsored apps. So, you can get the premium version, which brings an ad-free experience and priority support.